Hi everybody, and welcome to our PR Possibility series, Filming Yourself and Your Screen. In this beginner video today, we'll be looking at the media recorder in Windows 10, which is called the Game Bar. Other videos are available in this series in beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now today we're going to be using a particular part of your computer that you may not necessarily have been used before. It's called the Xbox Game Bar. And first of all, before we actually use it, we need to turn it on for our computers. So if you just go into Settings of your computer, and it simply go down to where it says gaming, and you're going to enable the game bar. So they're clicking it on there. And what this will enable you to be able to do is to record your screen. So if you type in microphone into your settings, then you'll be able to see which apps can access your microphone and ensure that the game bar one is turned on. Once you press Windows plus G on your computer, it opens up the game bar features. In this, the menu capture, which is the middle one here, allows you to take a screenshot, record the last 30 seconds, take a recording, and also turn your microphone on and off. The audio, which is the first one here, allows you to check that you're using the correct input. In this case here, I'm using my headset. I would also check before you start recording that you're recording your microphone. To do so, click on the cog here and then click on capturing. And always check that this button here is enabled. Once you press recording, what will happen is a little blue recording will happen on the top right hand of your screen, and it will have a timer. In that, you can turn your microphone on and off as you please. I'm going to use the whiteboard on my computer. Now this may not be installed on your computer, so if you type in whiteboard and you don't see Microsoft Whiteboard come up, then what I recommend that you do is that you go to the Microsoft Store and download this as an app. I've previously installed this on my computer and I'm going to make use of it. The whiteboard is a fantastic way of showing students by writing on a screen. Now, this becomes particularly handy if you're a maths teacher and you want to display some particular problems and work the solutions out below it. The app is just opening up at the moment. Now, because it uses your Windows account, it'll recognize your login details there. And I'm going to create a new whiteboard to use. And I'm going to use the pen on my computer. So down the bottom here, I can select the pen colors, and I can actually start to write my particular equation. I can change the pen colors down the bottom here, and also the width of the actual text. If I need to, I can erase out and also use a ruler. Some particularly handy things that you can add to your screen are things like a PDF and write over that, or a Word document. So it's a way of annotating and explaining. Now I'm going to do the actual sum as if I would normally be doing it on my whiteboard. Now I've just recorded all that and I want to press stop. And now it says the clip game is recorded. And what that does is it saves to the videos part of your computer. So the file's saved to my videos and into my captures. So in there, that is the video clip that I just did. So notice the interesting thing is it automatically knows what I've actually recorded in Google. So you can see there that it's recorded everything that I've done and also the whiteboard as well. So that's just a quick look through how we recorded our screen using the Windows plus G Xbox game recorder on our computer automatically installed. Please remember before you use it that you must turn your settings on for the game bar, but also your microphone.